Coding Made Easy.
So what's up everybody, and welcome to another Coding Made Easy update. So in my last update I mentioned that I was updating my YouTube channel and I was working on my website, or rebuilding my website, or redoing my website. Now I know a lot of you guys really liked my last website template, but I've had it for like a year now, and I just want to try something new. Now if you look at the side right here, they look kind of like, it kind of more resembles like the Windows 8 kind of Metro theme, and I know a lot of you guys, you don't like Windows 8, or you guys don't like the operating system and so on and so forth. I have Windows 8 on my laptop. I'm not really a fan of the operating system itself, but I do like the look and feel of it, right? The look is pretty good. I think it's just simple and sleek. That's what I like about it. It's just really simple. It's easy to navigate, so on and so forth, right? So just tell me what you guys think of it. If you guys think I should revert to the other one, let me know. But I made so much progress with this website that even if you don't like the look as great as the last website, I think you will like the functionality better on this one. And I'm going to be showing you a bit of the features I have. So the first feature is this video right here. Now it looks like a regular YouTube embedded player, but there is some advantages to this. Well, this is run by a PHP script that accesses the YouTube API, and it allows me to get the latest video that I've posted. So if you ever want to see the latest video I've posted, you can either go to my YouTube channel, or you can come to my website, and on the front page of the website you will see the latest video I posted, right? So that's a cool feature right there. So if we go to the tutorials, in my other website, the tutorials, oh yeah, and let me mention this from now, this website is not uploaded yet, but I will be uploading it later. The problem with my last website is why tutorials weren't being updated. The reason why they weren't being updated is because I had to manually update it from the back end, getting the iframe from the YouTube embed and stuff like that, the YouTube embed code and all that stuff. And although it took like 2 to 5 minutes maximum, sometimes I was lazy, sometimes I didn't have time, sometimes I had other things to do, so I just never ended up doing it. And I've been so behind in the tutorials, I didn't want to manually have to update it on my other template. So what I've done is that I've devised a PHP script, and what the PHP script does is that it gets all the videos from each of the playlists I've listed here, and it will display all the videos. Now all my playlists aren't listed here, only the newer ones, or the ones that have relevant value. All the ones I haven't posted on here are ones that they're not really too important, or they're not the main ones. So if I click SFML 2.0 Made Easy, what it does is it might take a bit of time to load. It loads pretty fast on my end, but on your end it might be a bit slower. But I will look on optimizing the code. But what it does is it will get all the thumbnails that I have for the video, list them all here, and you'll see all the tutorials here. You can click on the video, a pop-up will come with the video on there, and you can watch the video there. Now, some advantages to watching the video on the website is that, one, it's easy to navigate through the playlist, right? And if you ever want to go to a different video, you just click off the box and you can select another video. Secondly, you don't have to deal with video ads, pre-roll or post-roll video ads. All you have to deal with is the basic overlay ads. So those are some advantages to watching the tutorials on this website, right? And you can be rest assured that it will always be up to date, because whenever I put something in a playlist, it will be automatically updated on my website. Okay, so that's a cool feature, and to show you, it works for other series as well. Just click this one, and all the thumbnails are extracted. Okay, So if I go to the source code, now the source code wasn't being updated on my website as well, and I'm so sorry for that. Sometimes a lot of people have been asking, and I either keep forgetting or I just can't do it at that specified time. So now I've come up with an easy way for me to do the source code. On my last website, what I had to do was copy the code, paste it on something to post it on my website. Then I had to post it on my FTP and then make a download link so you could download it. But that wasn't effective because it took a while to do it, and sometimes I just didn't like the hassle of doing it. So now the way I've done it is that all I have to do is just upload the code to my web server, and it handles all the rest for me. So if I click this code, this source, this is the XNA Made Easy source, but don't mind the image. It says XNA Platformer. I just use the XNA Platformer image as a background, but the titles are correct. So what's going to happen is that's going to have the title name as well as the tutorial numbers that I have source code for, and what you could do is click it. And when you click it, it's going to bring you to a default page. Is all the pages. It's going to bring you to this page called display code, and what it's going to do is run a PHP script, and based on the code that we clicked, it's going to display that code over here, right? So you're going to be able to highlight the source code, view it, the raw data, print it, whatever, and you can click download source, and when you click it, you're going to be able to download the source code. So you'll click that and you can download the source file, right? And so that's a pretty cool feature on this website. I'm going to be doing that for all the source codes as well. So some other features I'm going to be adding to the website that you guys can look forward to, what I'm thinking of adding, is that what I want to add it so that you guys can download tutorials, right? So not just watch them online. Say you're going on a road trip, or you're just going down the street and you want to just finish watching a tutorial, or you just want to watch it in your room but you don't have a computer in your room, or you want to this makes sense. No, like say you want to put on your phone and you want to watch it off your phone or whatever, right? I'm going to make it so that you can download the content. But in order to download the content, it's not going to be like you can just freely go and download it, right? You're not going to be able to do it. There's two options I'm thinking of doing, and the first option is either making you pay for that privilege, but I really don't like that because some people are younger, some people are like in public school, some people are in high school, some people don't have jobs, and I really don't like charging people. I really hate that aspect, right? So I'm thinking of scrapping that. What I'm thinking of doing is adding a point system on the website. So whenever you post something on the forum, when you help people out, when you browse through the website, look at source code, all that stuff, the more stuff you do on the website, the more points you accumulate. When you accumulate a certain amount of points, you're eligible to use those points to download a certain amount of videos or a certain amount of playlists. The point system is going to be one of two things. Either the points are going to be they're going to be used kind of like money. So say you get 2,000 points or something, you're eligible to download 2 playlists or 2 videos or whatever, right? So you can use the playlist, you can use the points as money, and then you can use a monetary value in order to do stuff with it. Or if you get certain privileges for certain levels, so the point system will have different ranks. So if you're just starting off, your rank will be level 1. So say you'd have to be at ranked level 4 or something in order to download videos or something like that. So and then you'll be able to download a certain amount of videos each day or a certain amount of playlists each day, so on and so forth. So I'm thinking of doing a feature like that where you guys could be more interactive, viewing the site more, all that good stuff. I'm thinking of other features, but just let me know what features you guys want to see, and if it's capable, if I'm able to do it, then I will try and implement it. So sorry for the super long update, but that's just showing you what the future site is potentially going to look like. So don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment below to tell me what you like, what you don't like, what I should add, what I shouldn't add, all that good stuff. So that's it for this update. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.